Welcome fam. Today we're focusing on grounding and stretching your body in just 5 minutes. No equipment is needed, just a mat or a soft surface. Each stretch will last about a minute, combining movements to target your entire body from head to toe. Perfect for mornings, breaks during the day, or whenever you need a reset. Let's begin with gentle movements to wake up your neck and spine. Flow through dynamic stretches for flexibility and finish with a grounding release for your lower body. Ready to feel refreshed and centered? Let's hit the mat. Let's start seated or standing, whatever feels comfortable. Drop your chin towards your chest and slowly roll your head in a half circle to the right. Feel the stretch along the side of your neck, moving gently to avoid tension. Now, roll your head back to center and toward the left. Keep the movement smooth and controlled, like you're tracing a half-moon shape with your chin. Each roll melts away stiffness from your neck and shoulders, setting the tone for the rest of the session. Switch directions now, letting the movement feel natural, releasing any tightness on the other side. Stay seated or find a comfortable kneeling position. Place your right hand on the mat beside you. Extend your left arm overhead. Lean gently to the right, feeling a stretch along your left side body. Imagine creating space between each rib as you breathe into the stretch. Let's come back to center and switch sides. Left hand to the mat, right arm overhead, and lean to the left. Feel the openness spreading through your side as you deepen the stretch. One more breath here, letting your body feel balanced as we move forward. Shift onto your knees and come into child's pose. Knees wide, hips sinking back towards your heels, arms stretched forward. Take a deep breath here, feeling your back expand as you exhale into stillness. Now flow forward into cobra stretch, lowering your hips to the mat and lifting your chest. Press your palms down as your shoulders draw back, opening your chest. Flow gently between these two movements. Inhale as you lift into cobra. Exhale as you glide back into child's pose. Each transition feels like a wave, stretching your spine, chest, and shoulders. Finish with one last glide forward and back, letting your body ease into the rhythm. Step your right foot forward into a low lunge, letting your left knee rest on the mat. Keep your hands on your thigh for support, or reach them overhead for a deeper stretch. Feel the stretch through your left hip flexor as you sink gently into the lunge. Switch sides now, stepping your left foot forward and lowering your right knee. Let your hips sink forward slightly, feeling the release through your hip flexors and thighs. One last breath here, finding balance between both sides as we prepare to rise. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. Inhale, then exhale as you fold forward from your hips, letting your fingertips glide down towards your toes. From here, sweep your hands side to side across your feet, loosening your hamstrings and lower back. Each sweep deepens the stretch, creating more space along the back of your body. Let gravity do all the work as you relax into the movement. This final stretch grounds you, bringing your session to a calming close. One more sweep side to side, feeling the tension melt away, leaving you refreshed and energized. Great work, fam. In just 5 minutes, you've stretched your entire body, grounding yourself, releasing tension from head to toe. Save this routine for whenever you need a quick reset. If you're ready for more, check out another stretch session, dive into a workout, or explore a calming meditation. Stay grounded, keep moving, and I'll see you in the next session.